Story: The Crane and the Crab. By a peaceful pond lived a proud crane and a clever little crab, until one trick changed everything. In this story, you will enjoy the fun adventure and also learn new vocabularies with example sentences. Are you ready for a tale full of surprise, smart thinking, and learning? Let's begin.
Story 10: The Crane and the Crab. Level 1. Once upon a time, there was a crane. He lived near a pond. The pond was full of fish. The crane was old and weak. He could not catch fish easily. He was very hungry. The crane thought of a plan. He sat sadly near the pond. The fish asked, "Why are you sad?" The crane said, "A big problem is coming. Soon people will fill this pond with soil, then all of you will die." The fish became afraid. They asked, "What should we do?" The crane said, "Do not worry. I will take you one by one to another pond. There you will be safe." The fish believed him. The crane took one fish in his beak, but he did not take it to another pond. He went to a rock and ate it. Every day he did the same. Many fish were eaten. One day, it was the crab's turn. The crane wanted to eat the crab too, but the crab was clever. He held the crane's neck with his strong claws. He said, "Take me to the new pond, or I will kill you." The crane became afraid. The crab killed the crane. Moral: cleverness can save your life.
Now let's learn the key vocabulary from the story, along with two simple example sentences for each word.
1. Crane, a tall bird with long legs and neck. Example 1. The crane is flying in the sky. Example 2. I saw a crane near the pond. 2. Pond, a small body of water. Example 1. The pond is full of water. Example 2. Fish are swimming in the pond. 3. Weak, not strong. Example 1. The old man is weak. Example 2. I feel weak after hard work. 4. Hungry, feeling the need for food. Example 1. The dog is hungry. Example 2. I am hungry in the morning. 5. Clever, quick to understand, smart. Example 1. The rabbit is clever. Example 2. My friend is clever in class. 6. Claws, sharp nails of animals or birds. Example 1. The cat caught the rat with its claws. Example 2. The eagle has strong claws.
What a smart and surprising ending. This story taught us that intelligence is stronger than size or power. We hope you enjoyed the tale and also learned new vocabularies with example sentences along the way. Did you like this story? Share your thoughts in the comments and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun stories.